Secret is terrible, but I got another midnight.
Someone tried to lead a fucking punishing bird to me, but I said nope.
Rivera midnights, that's crazy.
We have come for your nectar.
Nectar and who else? Paradise bird, I actually need that. It's crazy. Something I actually need.
Wait, do I need punishing bird for? I don't. Well, I take the anchor famine, I guess.
But I do flipping hate that.
I guess people just tasted them on medicine. Standing a punishing bird. But anyway. I might need to buy stuff tomorrow from the store to make some little snacks. At the same time, return the bottles. I always collect enough bottles to return so I can have advantage. Kill a rabbit.
I can't.